Set up a family tech safety net in 7 steps. A Wi-Fi outage, dead phone, or inaccessible account can disrupt an entire household. This guide shows how to turn everyday technology into a reliable safety net that keeps families protected, connected, and calm. Before buying devices or changing settings, identify realistic risks like device loss, outages, online threats, and emergencies to prioritize needs, avoid wasted spending, and build a strong safety plan. Create one simple digital hub, like a password manager, shared cloud folder, or digital binder, so everyone can quickly find important information. Start small and add categories only when needed. Once your hub is ready, add essential safety tools like smoke and carbon monoxide alerts, water leak sensors, and location sharing for teens or older relatives to provide early warnings and faster emergency response. Simple automations like photo backups, safety check-ins, and shared sensor alerts reduce stress, improve consistency, and help families avoid mistakes and respond smoothly during emergencies. Share essential files, recovery steps, and contacts with trusted adults through a digital emergency binder containing medical, account, financial, and offline information. Premium refund term life may also offer added protection. Test your family tech twice a year to ensure alerts reach the right people, backups restore correctly, and location sharing works, catching small issues as devices and accounts change. Tighten privacy by reviewing app permissions and unused accounts. Then add offline backups like a battery bank, portable hotspot, and printed emergency information to stay connected during outages. Building a family tech safety net takes simple habits, occasional check-ins, and easy-to-use tools. Keep improving your setup, exploring guides, asking questions, and sharing tips to help create safer, more connected households.
Go to GearBrain for more information.